Hi everyone, we'll be showing you in this video how to use HTML to create a web page. I'll be focusing on how to set up the structure for the HTML web page and also how to add text and pictures using HTML codes. Next lesson we'll be learning how to use CSS to format the web page. Generally, HTML is used for creating the structure and the content for the web page, whereas CSS is used for formatting, styling, for making the website pretty. So we can see the HTML like the skeleton and the meat of the web page, whereas the CSS is like the makeup, the part that makes the website pretty. Okay, to create HTML we will need Notepad++, so I'll type Notepad++ here and it's here. I'll open it, I'll click File and New, and straight away before I start using it I'll save it in my folder. I've created a folder with the pictures I'm going to use. I will select here hypertext markup language and I'll give it a name, special cities.html. Okay, first thing I'm going to type is, first let me set it up first. Yeah, WordWrap is set up already, so doc type HTML to say this is HTML5 document using the latest protocol for HTML, and then we need to start the HTML. So it starts with HTML tag, and we make the HTML element by finishing the HTML. So just the opening tag, this is just an opening tag, a closing tag, together with the content would be an element. And inside the HTML itself is a container. Inside it will contain heads. Head will need to start and finish with a forward slash, and body, it needs to start and finish. Okay, inside the head, what do we need? The head is a part of the web page that is seen by the search engines and web browsing softwares mainly. Also, it's seen as a caption at the top. So, like the title is seen as a caption at the top, but the rest of it is for web browsing softwares and search engines and accessibility softwares like screen readers, which is used for visually impaired users. So the title is going to be beautiful cities, or special cities, shall we call them special cities, special beautiful cities. Okay, title is there, and later on we'll add the style here. So I'll just prepare the code for the style, for inserting the style, but that would be the lesson for next week. So we have within the head, title and style. So inside the body, what do we have? We are going to insert a heading, right? A heading is inserted using h1, and how about if we call our heading beautiful cities or special cities? It's up to you. And we need so forward slash So h1 is for the main heading, h2 is smaller than h1, we have h3, h4, h5, h6 being the smallest. uh, that that you must visit at least once in your lifetime, and it's up to you. Select your own cities. I have selected the cities I'm going to work with would be, where is it, Asmara, Kabul, London, and Tokyo. Okay, so we have the heading and subheading already placed. Let's check what we have done. Run in Chrome, launch in Chrome. Oh, already we have the heading and subheading. The heading is larger than the subheading. Let's go back to the, okay, so after we have the body, inside the body we have h1 and h2. So next, to actually create the web page looking like this, putting the information about each cities inside the boxes, we are going to use a container. We need another container. We are going to use this time div, and div needs to start and finish with a forward slash, and inside the div then we can have the subheading for that city. Let's put London, and the paragraph for London, the paragraph code need to start and finish. So London is a capital city of England, and we'll place the second paragraph. We need to make sure view word wrap is ticked so that we are able to see our paragraph fully. So inside the div we have a heading, a paragraph, and another paragraph. If we check what we have done, first we must save it, save all, and run and launch in Chrome. Okay, so we have the subheading and first paragraph and second paragraph. Even the subheading here and the paragraphs looks very similar, the fonts, but we can use CSS to actually format the text and the paragraphs and the subheadings and headings as we want. We can change the colors, font family, and other features, the font size, that kind of things. Okay, so we want to create a div for each city, and we want to format them same way, and we need 8 boxes, so we need 8 divs. And when we format them, we don't want to format each of them individually, so we want to maybe perhaps give them a class name, so that would be used in CSS to format them easily. So we can give them a class name called city, and we can use that as a selector when we create the CSS. Yeah, and so we have div, and inside the div we have the H heading. See, it's not working only because I forgot to type H. Now look, as soon as you are working properly, it's formatted properly, so the color coding helps you. First paragraph, second paragraph here, and we need a div container for each of them, like that. How about if I copy that and paste 3 times and then customize it? So customize each city, like this one, Asmara, and then change all the paragraphs. So here, as you see, I have customized the divs and the paragraphs and the headings for each cities, but all of them are given the class city. London, we have here the heading, first paragraph, second paragraph. Same way for Asmara, the heading, the first paragraph and second paragraph. And for Tokyo, same way, all of them are, all the headings and subheading, the paragraphs are placed inside the divs. So the same div is used 4 times to contain the information about the 4 cities. At the moment, the web page is black and white, not formatted. We'll be doing the formatting next week, but we would like to insert the pictures like this. So we are going to place the pictures inside the divs. Let's do that next. So we have learned how to insert the headings and subheadings, the text informations. So next we'll enter, we'll learn how to you must proofread your work all the time. Okay, all right. So inserting the image, we'll be inserting the image inside we'll be inserting the image inside the divs.